really serious. Right here we have equation for equilibrium in the goods market, which is under IS. So we are here to derive the equation that represents the goods market. So consumption, investment, government expenditure, tax, and here is the demand for money and supply chain. So following the functions from the goods market, we have our y to be equal to c plus I plus G. And here from these functions, here is our consumptions, and the function here representing the consumption we substitute, where we have our y to be equal to, instead of writing c, we substitute with the value, with the function here, which is co plus cyd, plus, instead of writing the I, we substitute with the investment, which is IO minus BI, and plus, instead of writing our g, we have our g substitute 0. And here from our function, we can say y is equal to CO plus C bracket. Don't forget our YD is our disposable income. And YD is all about Y minus tax. And here in our function, we have this is the functions of our tax, which is TY. Now, disposable income is the income left after you remove tax from your main income, from your personal income. So we have plus IO minus BI plus GO. So we can have our Y to be equal to CO. We expand the bracket with the small letter C here, where we have plus CY minus CCY, followed by plus IO minus BI plus GO. Now, these functions, we can observe that we have one here, we have one here, we have one here. So we can bring them together, collecting the like times. We have y. Here we have to the other side, that is minus cy, and this one to the other side, what is plus ccy. The sign will change. So we have is equal to co plus, now followed by investment io, followed by go, and minus bi. Now, this is our autonomous spending. Now, what is we have y here? Y. We can factorize by bringing y outside. Y divided by y, we have 1 inside. The other one, which is minus cy divided by y, we have minus c. And the other side, we have ccy divided by y, we have plus cc. We bracket it is equal to co plus io plus go minus bi. So here in our functions, we are looking for y, which is our reduced form of income. We divide both sides by what is inside the bracket. That is 1 minus c plus ct. Here we take this. To the other side, 1 minus c plus ct. So our reduced form of y, which is our income or our output, will now be equal to co plus io plus go minus bi divided by 1 minus c plus ct. So here is our reduced form of y. We call it a reduced form of y. Here we are looking for equations that will represent the equilibrium in the goods market. We can split this function into two. Coming to the other side, we have co. We can say that our y now will be equal to co plus io plus go divided by 1 minus c plus ct. And here we have minus bi divided by 1 minus c plus ct. Here, our denominator we split it into two. We can still have the same function back. It's still the same thing. And here we can have our y. Also here we can split it into two. By having co, this autonomous spending, we bring it out, plus io plus go, we bracket everything. Multiply by, when you bracket, that is 1 divided by 1 minus c plus ct. By implication, here multiply by 1 will still give us the value back. The same thing applicable to the other side. Minus bi, you can bracket it by saying 1 divided by 1 minus c plus ct. So in this function now, it's the same thing with here, because 1 multiplied by this will give us all this back. Bi multiplied by 1 will still give us the value back. So So we can say our y is equal to, now once we have these functions and we are looking for equation that will represent the boost market, we can say let our CO plus IO plus DO to be equal to A bar. That is taking in autonomous. So instead of writing this autonomous, we represent it with A bar. And also our KE, which is our multiplier, is this. So multiplier is 1 divided by 1 minus C plus CT. Don't forget, there is introduction of what we call induced tax. That is why at the end of the day we have CT at our generator. So initially what we used to have before is that 1 divided by 1 minus C, that is MPC as our multiplier. But here our multiplier will change to 1 divided by 1 minus C plus CT as our multiplier. Therefore, you substitute A inside this function and you substitute the multiplier with KE. Therefore, our Y will now be equal to, instead of writing this, you will substitute with the Y bar. That is Y bar. And this is multiplier, that is our KE minus BI. And here is another multiplier, that is our KE. Now, this is our IS function. Since we know under equilibrium, we have to have IS and LM. But here is our IS functions. So in our subsequent videos, we did about the LM functions, and after the LM function, we combine them together to have the perfect understanding of the equilibrium that will represent the both boost market and the money market. Now, this is our IS functions. So that is boost market. Thank you.